I would like to say that Social Media for Empowerment is an initiative of Digital Empowerment Foundation in partnership with American Center and many other partners. Is basically conceived to find out the power of social media, how it is becoming a critical tool for empowerment, how it is becoming a tool for connecting people, how it is becoming a tool for good governance, how it is becoming a tool for allowing the citizen to show their power. So we thought that this should not only be used by the people, but it should also be used as a tool where we can say that this tool can empower the rest of the world also, who are disconnected, who are not connected, and so on and so forth. So we thought, let's do the summit where people come together, and we also do an award around it where we find the best practices using social media, and that can be use of WhatsApp, use of Facebook, use of Google Hangout, Google Plus, or Twitter, or Instagram, or Pinterest, or LinkedIn. So social media for empowerment is an initiative which is not only about harping about social media, but basically seeing through that how it can be used as an empowerment tool, and how it can be used as an empowerment tool in the hands of the people who may be illiterate, who may be uneducated, who may be disconnected, who may be in remote areas, who might be just using mobile, who might be just using radio or kiosk, and so on and so forth. But everybody finds that social media is a tool which gives them a power which nobody else does. Whether they have to complain, whether they have to share their life or events or stories or photographs, anything literally. And we are also seeing that government is responding extremely positively by adopting Facebooks of the things. They are also having Twitter handle, and in the new government the buzz of utilization of social media is even higher. So we are very excited that this year, which is the second year of social media for empowerment, we are going to create at least pool of couple of hundred or 200 to 300 best practices from all over South Asia. And this is not only in India. We are collecting all the practices from South Asia or South Asian countries, which are 8. So watch out for the dates. 8th July we are launching the campaign for the best nominations, and in September we will have the jury, and in November we will see you all on 20 and 21st November in some place in Delhi, where all the 7 countries will get together, all the best practitioners will get together around social media, and we will discuss how it has empowered people, and we will also discuss and lay out a roadmap how it can empower more and more people.